There is nothing disgusting about the human body. Drake, put that book down.
Whoa! Yankee with no brim!
Robert, please drop the knife. Please put it down. Oh my god.
The hood trampoline.
What are they gonna do now?
A big, black.
It's only a spoonful.
Then they go.
You made my heart break. You made my heart ache. You made my heart break. You made my heart ache. You made my...
Parmesan niggas.
I got tits like me, sweetheart. Have you?
Are you sure you're okay to drive?
Shut up, bitch! I'm just a nigga with a rocket launcher.
Don't get too close now, Pop.
Thank you for doing this. I want to hear about everything. There's so much to talk about. We probably have more in common than any other human beings on the face of the earth. Oh, you look great, by the way. That's a beautiful suit. I never owned a suit.
Hello.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Can you do that, okay?
I'm sorry. I said.
That's why your shoes raggedy. That's why your mama dead. Dead as hell. What shoes she got on? What shoes she had on her casket?
In these uncertain times, your friends at Burger King are back with the $3.49 King Meal Deal.
Hey, who wanted a large pepperoni?
Man, I'm gonna whip this hoe.
I hear you talking about we a lot, or you speak French now. I don't know what's wrong with me, I can't stop, oh, yeah. Won't stop, oh, yeah. Never stop.
You're a simp, Harry.
I'm a what?
A simp, and a damn pathetic one at that.
No, you made a mistake. I mean, I can't be a simp. I mean, I'm just horny. Just horny.
Well, just horny. Did you ever buy an OnlyFans? Donate $1,000 to a Twitch e-girl?